Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today I'm doing a really fun challenge. It's 15 Amazon finds under $15. Amazon is such a great place for home decor. This is not sponsored. I just use them all the time for my makeovers and just like everyday life. All of these items are Prime as well, which means that they will arrive at your doorstep tomorrow or the same day. And I just thought this was a fun challenge. It was like, could I find 15 items under $15 that were beautiful and decorative things to put in your home? Before we start, I do want to plug that I have an Amazon store, which means that I curate home decor finds and like kitchen finds and organization finds all in one place. I will link my store down below. It's a great place to go if you're looking for, I don't know, like knobs or cute furniture. I've curated a page so that everything's easy to find, and that link is down below. But for now, let's get started. First item is this beautiful mirror. It has this wood finish on the outside and then black metal legs. It's a magnifying mirror on one side, which I'm like, I don't know, that's getting up close and personal. And then just a regular mirror on the other side. So if you like to do your makeup with a separate mirror, like outside of your bathroom, I know a lot of people like to do it in the natural light. This is a great find. It's very modern, it's very sleek, and I love it. How much was it? Do you remember? I don't know, sorry. That's the face you just made. The next find is so fun. It's these grid washi tapes. They're just beautiful. All the colors are gorgeous. There's like this dusty pink color, this kind of like terracotta brown color. When I was at Wendy's last week, she had her bullet journal open. If you guys don't follow with Wendy's bullet journaling, you're missing out. I'm pretty sure she was using grid tape like this to do something like calendars, or I would love to know down in the comments below if you guys bullet journal, if that's still a thing that people do. I really want to get into it, mostly because I saw Wendy's and it was perfect. Her writing is amazing. Anyways, this is not about Wendy. This is about the washi tape. It just reminds me of her. I just think these are so beautiful and simple. On that same note, we also found a washi tape dispenser. If you're like me and have a lot of washi tape, this little thing cuts it and also stores it. So let me take this out. This is such a cute and like functional little contraption. So it stores your washi tape here, and then you have a little place to cut the washi tape, and it cuts it so nicely. Look at that. Look at that edge. I love it. It comes with two, so you can stack them on top of each other and store up to like 10 rolls of washi tape, and looks really sleek and clean. This is such a great find and such a great thing to have on my desk. Fun. The next item is this gorgeous dusty pink cushion cover. A lot of you, I feel like, have commented before when I post something from Amazon that's a home decor find. You're like, I didn't know Amazon sold that. But yeah, they sell awesome cushion covers. They sell bedspreads. I got a beautiful Pom Pom bedspread. I'll insert a picture of it and link it down below. I just think this is a beautiful color. It's velvet. It feels really, really soft and nice. And it comes with a pack of 2. And there's also so many other colors to choose from. I also love using basic velvet, just one solid color velvet cushion, and then layering it in with more patterned cushions or textured cushions. They're just such a nice like base to have if you want to add lots of pattern and texture with your other throw cushions. Next find are these really awesome shower what are they called? Shower hook rings. Shower rings. I've said this before, but I find a really easy change, especially in a rental bathroom, is changing your shower curtain and then the rings. So finding ones like this really makes a difference. These are gold. You can get them in like sleek black color. I just find anything other than the simple silver ones that come with your rental that are probably rusting, they gotta go. A lot of these finds we got for future makeovers. So not all of this is for my space. I might take a couple things for my space, but make sure you look out for these being used in future makeovers. The next item is a beauty find. I started using reusable cotton pads. I read this really alarming stat about how much waste is produced a year by people using disposable cotton pads. I know that that's probably not new information to a lot of you, but I just didn't realize how much waste is created. And I'm someone who uses a face pad every single day after I put on my toner. So I noticed that they have these on Amazon. So they're washable, they're cotton, and they're really soft, and they're just like a great alternative. So I usually use mine for like the week, I would say. And then I toss it in the wash and I start a fresh one. And this is great because these come in a pack of like 15, I think. So you got a lot. So you definitely won't run out super quickly. It also comes with this bag that you wash the cotton pads in so they don't like get lost in your washing machine. And I just think it's like something that a lot of people don't think about, but really changes your beauty regime and saves the environment at the same time. Love that for everyone. The next find is this adorable little macrame wall hanging. Such a great alternative piece of art. So great to layer into a gallery wall. I love that it's a smaller size. Adding something in like this that kind of breaks up all the artwork on your wall is a really great tip. I think I'm gonna be saving this for a dorm room makeover. Fun announcement, I am doing my first dorm room makeover ever in probably August or September. I also am just looking at this and I'm like, I wonder if you could use this for something else. Like if you could hang earrings from it, or I don't know. I think there's probably a fun way to use this. There's this awesome kit that you can get that is filled with reusable cutlery. So there's stainless steel in this beautiful rose gold color, and they come in this little pouch. I have been watching the YouTuber Rhiannon Ashley quite a lot. I've watched her for years, but something I've noticed that she does is she carries around a kit like this with her everywhere with reusable cutlery. So if she ever eats out, she just like whips this out. It comes with a fork, a big spoon, a little spoon, a knife, 2 straws, and some chopsticks. And then you can put it back in this pouch when things get dirty. And yeah, you can just chuck it in the washing machine. Nope. You put this in the washing machine and then you just chuck it in the dishwasher when you get home. Next item are these adorable file folders. Again, these are things I feel like we don't think about getting an alternative cute file folder, but like how happy does this make you? Makes me happy with the matching little washi tape. There's a terrazzo print in white, pink, green, and black, and then they have this grid and then these little crosses on it. So cute. It's like when you're doing taxes, use a terrazzo file folder. You'll just feel better about it. That's my motto anyway. The next item is an item that I've talked about a lot on my channel. These are Swedish dishcloths, and these are the only kind of dishcloths I use. I mean, I use Melissa Maker's microfiber cloths, but specifically in my kitchen, I love using these for a few reasons. These are completely compostable, so you can just chuck them in the compost when you're done with them, but they're also washable. I have so many of these that I've had for like a few months that I just put in the wash and they're brand new when you take them out. Getting rid of those blue J cloths totally changed my life. These don't smell, they just feel like cleaner. And then when you're done after a few months, when you're like, okay, there's no way I can use this anymore, you just put them in the compost. They're just fun. And there's so many different designs to pick from. And I don't know, I just feel good using them. Like for the environment, they're a good choice. I love this next find. It is a toothbrush holder. Sounds pretty, you know, pretty standard, except that the bottom of it twists off. I find that I'm constantly having to clean out the grime from the bottom of my toothbrush holder. So this is a really great, like, clean alternative. And the cutest color ever. It's like this dusty pink. It has little compartments too, so you can put your toothpaste in here and your toothbrushes. This was $5.99, great price, and it's an add-on. So I've noticed that on Amazon, sometimes you have to buy something else and then you add another item onto your purchase in order to buy it, if that makes any sense. So if you were looking for an add-on, I would get some bamboo toothbrushes. It's actually like genius. I know it sounds simple, but this is a game changer for me. Okay, we're almost getting to the end of our haul. just like a chaotic bundle of Pom Poms, because why not? But seriously, this is great if you want to DIY stuff with Pom Poms. What I was thinking is if you get some curtains, you could sew this on like as a trim. You could also glue it on with fabric glue. I have a Surebonder glue gun, and I discovered that they sell fabric glue sticks for your glue gun. So you could totally do an easy DIY like this. I can't wait. I have a few videos coming up where I think that this would be really useful. It also comes in tons of colors as well, and really, really inexpensive. Second last item are these gorgeous knobs. On my Amazon shop, I have an entire section of just knobs and hooks, but these are really pretty. They're just basic black knobs. They feel like really heavy and good quality. You guys know I feature Amazon knobs all the time. I honestly find that it's one of the most affordable places to go for just like standard hardware. And I've said this a million times, but changing your knobs out is one of the easiest and quickest solutions to making a space feel styled and just like way prettier. Cute. Second last item is this great little sewing kit. I feel like this is one of those things that you think, I don't need a sewing kit, but then it's like when you need it, you really need it. Everything's in one place. It comes with different colored threads, a little thimble, a measuring tape, some scissors. These scissors are actually like a game changer when you're trying to do any finicky DIY. And I like how it's in this tiny little pouch, so it's super compact. I bought this specifically for my makeovers, so we're gonna keep this just off to the side. It comes with literally everything you need for a DIY emergency. The last item is this pack of towels. Again, you guys probably didn't know that Amazon sells towels. These are from their Amazon Basics line. Amazon Basics is awesome. It's just like all the basics you could ever need in one place. So this comes with a bath towel, a hand towel, and then a face cloth. They come in so many different colors. And if you're in a pinch and you're like, I need some more towels, these are prime, which is great. I feel like these are good guest towels. Like, you know the towels you don't really want to invest tons of money in because they're not being used all the time? This is when you go to Amazon to buy towels from the Amazon Basics line. And that's it, my 15 products under $15. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any retailers, any other retailers you'd want me to do this challenge with, like, I don't know, H&M Home or Zara Home, with the price that you'd want me to shop at down below. I think this is a really fun challenge. I don't know if anyone's done this. I think it could be like a good tag to start in the home decor world. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye.